the must-have cryptocurrencies for 2024. Are you ready to discover the digital currencies that will shape your financial future? Dive into the world of crypto with us as we reveal the top coins to hold for 2024, including insights on Binance Coin and Pi Network. Don't miss out on unlocking the full potential of your portfolio. The digital currency world is vast, but today we'll narrow down the coins you should be keeping an eye on for 2024. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we think about finance. With their decentralized nature, they offer a new level of freedom in transactions. But with so many options, how do you choose the right ones? Let's start with Binance Coin. As the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, its value is tied to the platform's success. With Binance continuously expanding its services, Binance Coin is a solid choice for 2024. Why Binance Coin? It's not just a currency. It's a utility token that gives you discounted fees on the Binance exchange and access to exclusive token sales. Plus, its burning mechanism ensures it remains scarce. Next up, Pi Network. Though newer to the scene, Pi Network is making waves with its unique approach to crypto mining. Accessible from your smartphone, it's designed to be user-friendly and energy efficient. What makes Pi Network stand out is its commitment to inclusivity. By allowing mining on mobile devices, it opens up the world of cryptocurrency to those without expensive mining setups. It's a coin with potential for widespread adoption. But remember, the crypto market is volatile. While these coins have promising futures, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Diversification is key in the world of investing. By holding a variety of coins, you spread out your risk and increase your chances of hitting a big win. Consider also the technological advancements behind each coin. Binance Coin and Pi Network are backed by solid tech, making them more than just speculative assets. Stay informed. The crypto market moves fast, and what's hot today may not be tomorrow. Following the latest trends and updates can help you make informed decisions. Don't forget about the community. Both Binance Coin and Pi Network have strong communities behind them. A supportive and active community can be a good indicator of a coin's long-term viability. Patience is your friend in the crypto world. Prices can skyrocket, but they can also plummet. Investing for the long haul, like looking towards 2024, can help smooth out these bumps. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not a guaranteed way to make money. It's important to only invest what you can afford to lose and to consider it part of a diversified portfolio. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Together, let's navigate this exciting and ever-changing market.